Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to review heritage meal clusters from Freedom Foods. Freedom Foods produce a wide range of granola, clusters, muesli, oats, bars, etc. And heritage meal is just one of their brands available at Coles. Now I've got two flavors, caramel coffee and salted caramel hazelnut. Why I've picked these two? Well, I love caramel, I love coffee, and I love hazelnut, and I also like my clusters big, and these were the biggest. Now let's have a look at the packaging. There is a 4-star health rating, which is great. It also states that they are available only at Coles. They're high in whole grain, source of fiber, no artificial colors or flavors, and they are made of whole grain oats. Also, another thing to note is this bag is resealable, which is good because the package is massive. It's 1 kilo, so you would want to store them properly. There is also a note here that these particular clusters contain less than 6 grams of sugar per serve. Well, considering that the serve is 40 grams only, I would always look for nutritional information per 100 grams. This way, it's very easy to check the protein, fat, and sugar content of the product, and also to compare products. So in this particular one, there are 10 grams of protein, 13 grams of fat, and 14 grams of sugar per 100 grams. So 14 grams of sugar is not too bad, considering that these are clusters and you need sugar to stick all the ingredients together and also get this crunch. But the rule of thumb that I established for myself is that I do not buy clusters that contain more than 15 grams of sugar per 100 grams. Because just in general, I consider clusters more as a treat rather than healthy breakfast, and I very often substitute biscuits with clusters. In terms of ingredients, it's pretty good. There is nothing of concern. The only thing, just be mindful that these are not dairy free. There is skim milk powder in these clusters. Alright, so I'm going to measure 40 grams of each flavor, which is the serving size, and we will start tasting. And you will also see the ingredients list and nutritional information on your screens. So the first flavor I'm going to try is salted caramel and hazelnut. I'll pick the biggest chunk. Look at this. It's very crunchy and crispy. It's actually quite yum. I can clearly feel the caramel notes and also hazelnut. And you can hear my neighbors over there. They love to sing at this time of the day. And yeah, I wonder what's the song. Okay, so these are very good. I can clearly feel the caramel and the hazelnut flavor, as I said. It's really good, really yummy. And I can even feel the smell, of caramel smell. It's really good. And let's try the next one is caramel and coffee. All right, so big chunk again. They're also crunchy and crispy, also quite tasty. I can clearly feel coffee flavor, not that much of caramel. They're nice, but I have this weird aftertaste. It's like leftovers of coffee grounds, you know? Yeah, something like that. But other than that, they're quite good. Let's try them with milk. Now, salted caramel and hazelnut with milk, with soy milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't really drink and eat regular milk. Yum. Although, of course, with milk, they're much less sweet. Really good. I like it. And caramel and coffee. Interestingly, both of them have like pretty much the same amount of sugar, but these ones feel like less sweet. I think the thing is sodium, the salt content, because the salted caramel hazelnut contains more salt, a lot more, and I think it enhances sweetness. And these ones like contain very little salt. That's why they taste a lot less sweet. Yeah, interesting. But other than that, they're good. Alright guys, so I'm done tasting both flavors. I liked both, but I think I liked more salted caramel and hazelnut. It just has more flavor. Probably because of the seeds in them, and also more salt, which enhances again sweetness and just overall taste. These are great clusters, a bit hard to chew when eaten with milk. Alright, so if you found this video useful, just press like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.